Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Check the Ps3 firmware and system time because mismatched time can block pages. Next, make sure the console is connected to the correct SSID or wired LAN. Re-enter the Wi-Fi password if needed. Once done, reboot the router and the Ps3. This clears temporary DNS or DHCP issues. You perform these first steps now to eliminate common causes quickly and to prepare for more detailed network troubleshooting. You now move into the detailed execution. Open network settings and use custom setup to set DNS manually, entering 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 as a test. Then adjust MTU, switch from automatic to manual, and try 1473 because some ISPs need lower MTU to avoid fragmentation. Make sure the Ps3 is not using a proxy and that DHCP or static IP settings include the right gateway. Once configured, you finish by clearing the browser cache, cookies, and history to remove stale data that blocks pages. Then fully power cycle the modem and router, unplug for 30 seconds, because lingering routes can prevent connections. Reconnect the Ps3 and try a wired Ethernet link if Wi-Fi still fails. Wired often isolates wireless issues. If the page cannot be displayed again, note any error codes, switch to an alternate DNS, and contact your ISP with those details to resolve routing or blocklist problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.